So I've been searching for a half decent backpack for my daily commute to uni, whether it be by bike, bus or car, and a bag that could carry all the equipment and tech that I need as an architecture student while not breaking the bank. Most important bit. After a bit of searching, I landed on this backpack by Rapha, and after a full year of daily use, here are my thoughts. According to the official Rapha website, the bag is 25 centimeters wide, 42 centimeters tall, and 10 centimeters deep, coming together at a weight of 744 grams. The exterior of the main body features this textured but sleek black waterproof nylon, which is easy to maintain, and because it isn't a cloth-like material, doesn't fray and keeps fresh over an extended period of use. It has a standard front pocket, back pocket layout, as well as a small zip pocket on the side for valuables like wallets and keys. I personally don't use it because I like to keep my things on my person, so I don't really like to put, keys or, headphones or something inside these pockets because I tend to forget that they're there. But yeah. Tying the whole exterior together is this stylish leather stripe down the center, which is kind of like a cue to the older Rapha backpack designs. This stripe also has a rear light strap towards the bottom and a cast metal logo up the top. It also comes with this really Rapha-esque bright pink rain cover, but keep this in mind because I'm gonna have to get into this one in a sec. The back of the bag is made of this molded dense foam with channels for airflow. I can safely say this is the best airflow I've experienced in a backpack, as I sweat a shitload on my rides to uni, and somehow I managed to rock up with a dry bag. So mad respect to Rapha for figuring that one out. Also, while talking about this bag also has these awesome padded shoulder straps that do an incredible job of locking the bag without it swinging around and getting all lopsided while riding or walking. It's so dusty, Jesus. So, welcome to my coffee table. I was actually going to narrate through this, but I figured, why not just show you how I pack it at the same time as showing you the inside. So, this is what we got. Also, pardon if it's a bit echoey. I don't have a big desk. This coffee table's gonna have to do. So the inside, as you can see, has a padded laptop sleeve, which is perfect for a 13-inch laptop and nothing bigger. So you cannot fit a 15-inch laptop inside there. On the other side of the bag is another zip compartment. Super handy for little things like USBs or keys or whatever. On a usual uni day, I have here a iPad Pro 12-inch. Yeah, so this goes inside the padded laptop sleeve like that. And then in the in the mesh sleeve, sorry, I put my laptop like this. So that goes in nicely. You have to put it in this order because if you put stuff in at the bottom, it'll block the entry of the laptop and then you just tear more holes or it'll just get stuck. So be mindful of that. So to carry all my tech accessories, I have a little pouch here. Might do another video on this. It's actually quite cool. Like, I've got some cables and shit, got some SSDs, hard drive, I don't know, whatever else. So that goes in the bottom. The bag has no external water bottle holder. So what I've done is I've got this memo bottle, which is a super cool recycled plastic bottle, and it's like the size of a book. Hang on. So this is a moleskin journal thing, which I've got like all my uni notes in it and whatever else. It's about the same size, a little bit smaller. This is supposed to be A5, who knows? So this goes in behind. See, so it's getting blocked by that tech pouch. So you gotta be careful with how you pack everything. And this just goes in the mesh sleeve. I'm not doing a great job at showing this, it's quite difficult, but there we go. This is a roll of yellow trace, basically just trace paper, but just really expensive, and I don't know why we use it, but it's what we do. So that goes in there. But yeah, there's that. So that's what it looks like. In the front, we have a nice little plaque thing with a cool little story. Very, very Rapha. That's what they do with all their stuff. You can see it's a bit fraying here. So we have another pocket. This one's not mesh, but it's got that pink tip, so you can see where the pocket starts. And a little zip pocket for keys or whatever. I put my pen case. I'm gonna say pen case because I don't have pencils, but you know, this is like a little thing from Muji I got for like, what was it, like $5 or something? I don't know. That goes there. And I have a journal, which I don't keep up to date with, but you know, that goes there. So sorry, like that in there. And that is really about it. The side pocket is really not that big, so you can't fit. Like, look at that. If I've got my wallet, it's not even gonna, like, it just doesn't go in, you see what I mean? So I don't use it at all. Even my keys, like I've got it on a carabiner, so when I go to uni, obviously I don't drive my car, so I just detach it. This can go in here maybe, but then I just forget, and I'm a bit paranoid and I don't like having my keys on the outside of my bag, so usually my keys just live in this little pocket in the main compartment. They can go in there. Ooh. So yeah, I don't know what else there is really. I've got AirPod Pros. I don't know how to say it. AirPods Pro. That my friends bought for me for my birthday, which was the most amazing gift. Thank you guys if you're watching. I usually carry them, so these go on me. And that's really about it. There is how I pack my Rapha bag. I almost forgot. One of the main gripes I have with this bag is that there is no compartment just for the rain cover. So if it's been wet and you've been commuting and you've got your rain cover on, let's get these out of the way. You've got your rain cover on, right? Which is already a pain in the neck to put on, kinda. Like, right? And it's all wet and it's gross. You take it off, you can't put it anywhere. There's no bottom pocket. There's no, like, you know, this side pocket again is just so small, you cannot fit it into there. So, what do? You kind of gotta whack it off, dry it, and fit inside one of your internal pockets, and then it just gets your whole bag gross. So, keep that in mind. If you wanna flex your, I'm a cool cyclist and I've got a Rapha product, you can do that, but I just prefer to ride it like this because it's already waterproof, well, water resistant. So, you know, all I do is just wipe it down and it's fine. Yes, there we go. Oh. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you got something out of that, you know, with the whole world and Corona and all that kind of stuff. I decided to make a YouTube channel, so this is my first ever video. I'm just sort of messing around with styles, so as you saw at the start, I wanted it to be a bit more serious, and then towards the end, I just decided to make it like a what's in my bag kind of thing, so I hope that kind of worked. I'm probably gonna make more content like this because I have all these random things around my house, like this tech kit thing that I showed off before. Whatever else comes my way that I find helpful, I'm pretty sure I'll make a review of it, and show how it sort of has helped me with my chase of productivity and all that kind of stuff. Thanks to my mate Mark. Thank you, mate, for helping me out in the start. He was the guy with the 6 Savello. Yeah, don't be afraid to give me feedback. Please give me feedback. I need to learn. Aside from study architecture, my main, or my side hustle, I guess you could say, is sports media. So I do filmmaking, I do photography, all that kind of stuff. So I decided to make this YouTube channel so that I could practice and hone my craft a little bit, and also speak to a camera because I hate public speaking. So yeah, hopefully as I go on, I can learn how to make videos a bit quicker, because this one took me like 5 days. As you can see, I'm wearing different clothes, and I've reshot all the scenes like so many times, and I'm messing around with camera setups. So yeah, as I get better, I'm sure there will be more content coming. I don't know what this is going to amount to. I don't really know what the direction of this channel is, but who knows? Hopefully I'll figure things out as I keep going. So please don't be afraid to give me that feedback. Let me know things I can improve, things you found boring, things you found interesting, if the review of the bag even helped. But yeah, all of that is appreciated, and thank you so much. I'm gonna do the typical YouTuber thing and say subscribe to my shit if you want to watch it, but I'm not gonna pressure you. If you didn't find it interesting, don't subscribe. That's totally cool. I get it. So yeah, thanks. I'll see you in the next one, I guess.